What do you do with car deals that go cold? Do you just let the CRM fire them off auto email after auto email? Do you continue to call them to where they don't answer the phone? Or do you mix up your communication? One of the best ways to get buyers engaged that go cold is with a video. And if you want a video that really stands out, include your digital retailing tool. Maybe you even go into selfie mode. Hey buyer, this is Kyle. I've been looking for the right vehicle for you and I think we may be in luck. Look what just came in. If you click the link below, I got pricing here for you, I got payments here for you, and then if you could give me some more information on your trade-in, I think the value might have even gone up. Click the link, please, check this out, and I think we might have something for you. You send the buyer over a video like that with a link to the vehicle, with an easy way that they could give you their trade information, and this might be enough to get the buyer re-engaged.